the most important thing, I'll make this very brief, so I have to rush for a meeting later. So members, please do review today's analysis here. But the very simple trade for today was understanding the tapering. So at 10:40, right, when we were selling quite aggressively here. So this was at 10:40 a.m. Right, so 10:40 here. See it for yourself. Once you understand the teal and the pink, the relationship between this becomes quite straightforward here, right? So you see how the market grabbed the liquidity from the pink liquidity there, and obviously you see how we stopped penny perfect at the 5-day moving average. Just see this for yourself there. So this was quite a beautiful trade right there. If you manage to understand, very importantly, how this pink is building support here. Now, nearing to end of day, there was this safety play. If you've been trading with me for a while, this becomes almost second nature to you, right? So at 14:32, 2:32, which was here, this was 2:32 p.m., right? I talked about how we returned to the 5-day moving average and power hour for safety, close to power hour, and there you see it. We indeed returned to the 5-day for safety.